One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Just doing a really quick intro for this video. It's late. Stay up till 9:30, 10 o'clock working on this project for the Sunday video that you'll see then. I ain't going outside. I ain't going to a different room. Just making an intro. Restaurant equipment. I know quite a bit about some restaurant equipment because I've worked in lots of restaurants and I owned a restaurant. So I bought a lot of restaurant equipment. And I'm telling you what, there's lots of bucks to be made, whether you're beading or restauranting or, I don't know, construction equipment. I just bought a siding company, man. There's money to be made out there at bankruptcy, estate, and auctions of such. Check this out. I hope you enjoy. Sunday's going to be an awesome video. Tune in. Here we go. Subscribe and all that. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Another windy day. Got all kinds of stuff going on with cars, but today it's an auction video. Last time I did a big auction, and Rich actually went in and picked up all this stuff. And I don't even know if these things, they adjust and missing a leg here and there or a button thing.
That's for against the wall. That one's got a broken leg. That one's got the base. That one's really the only one that's really kind of fucked up on the edges. The rest of them are.
And I'll put in here at the beginning what I got this all for. And no, they're not perfect. They're not perfect at all. But for shop tables, half of them. And for somebody who want a couple of these, man, these are pretty nice tables. These are really nice.
I was thinking, like, look at the bottoms of those. I was thinking pressure wash those off of them. Black spray paint.
Yeah. They're nice enough, man. So, all these tables, but the good stuff is up here. And you know what? I've never been to this auction when somebody wasn't there to help us load it. But we got a Hobart. It's missing the front panel there. Had to rig something up. That's a commercial fridge, buddy. Commercial, baby. It's the real deal is what that is. And what's that beside it? I don't know. That could be the top piece. I think it is. No, that's my under the counter. Well, I was showing the microwave and I lost you somehow. I don't even remember the brand. It don't matter. Got the warming trays here and a very nice display case, two of them with a plug-in, and I think they're lighted. Not sure.
Coffee maker and I caught them.
Really?
It's on the list in the same line as another item. So they got the first item.
And not the second.
Yeah. Oh my God, isn't there supposed to be a cop?
I don't know. I'm gonna take the the bun axiom. There's the soup wells.
Yeah, see there.
Oh, you even got the. And I'll show the receipt later. It's cool stuff here. Let me see. 3 hand bun, exactly. 3 of these, and then here's the bun axiom, which is a very, very nice unit. These are like $600-700. I'll show you what I paid for that here. Hang on. 3 soup wells. I paid a lot for those, and they're a lot of nice. The microwave was $9, but it came with this coffee maker. So I didn't want the microwave, I wanted this coffee maker, $9. Food warming drawer, $8. Kitchen appliances, office jet copper material, $8. That's the one where I got the Corningware. The hot plate was $21. The commercial refrigerator for $11. That's for the refrigerator. The sink, the faucet, $10. 4 tables, $5. 2 tables, $5. 2 tables, $5. 4 tables, $5. $5. Everything you see in this truck, I paid $189 for, plus $22 here. So I think by the time the extended price came out, I am at, hang on, sorry, $211. Now, the soup wells alone, I believe I can get, spin them up, I bet you I can get 100 to 200 a pop out of them, easily. The bun coffee maker, it's a $300 item for sure, used like this, and I don't even care that much about this copier. I'm going to try and run it back through, because I don't really want it. But there is this stuff with this blender that I didn't care that. A Sears solid state. It's a Sears blender back in the day. Oh, is that a K-cup thing? I think it is.
There's a, what is that? That's a juicer. A juicer. This could be a little kit. What is this? Brew and Go. Black & Decker. Oh, a nasty ass something. But I bought it for this. The Corningware. I have to take a picture of that. The only problem with this is it was sitting there like this, and this is not the right lid for it. So that part kind of sucks, but I did get a nice group of stuff. My camera cut out while I was showing you the microwave there, like I said, so I'm gonna shut the door over here, and then we'll flip back around and go show you that. Cars everywhere. I'll tell you what, where'd that truck even go, man? Where'd you check the windshield? Oh, there it is, the Chevy. I'll tell you what, that is one nice driving rig. So the sinks, the display cases, all the shelves are in them. It's just, there's so much stuff here. Heating drawers. What is this? It's a, oh, that's the cover for that front of that thing, I'll bet. A Toast Quick. Now I'm here to tell you, a conveyor toaster is pretty stinking cool. We got the Wyatt dual burner range type thing. Another hot drawer. That sink. But like I say, tables galore. And so all this stuff, I'm gonna kind of show you a quick rundown of something somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna put it all together, but maybe this is why I got so much junk around here. I don't know. I know we're gonna clean these up now, take pictures now, and put this stuff on Marketplace and start selling now. Sell. I've got a deal where I might be getting 10,000 respirators. And if I do, I'm gonna be giving away a bunch of them. So that's the deal. I don't know what else to say. I might clip some more stuff on this video, but I've got a couple of them in the pipes coming up, and yeah, we're just gonna keep on working away. I think you might have got this running. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a shot at showing all the stuff up close. That hot plate for 21 bucks. The kitchen appliances with that Corningware was 8 bucks. Food warming drawer, 8 bucks. Microwave and bun coffee maker, 9 bucks. Like Richie said, they tried to not give it to me. 3 soup wells, I paid a Lamosta for anything of that, $65. Another Hatco track drive toaster. Toastmaster or whatever it said on it. Toastmaster warming drawers. Display cases were $5 and $6 respectively. I mean, come on. Hobart, stinking commercial refrigerator for 11 bucks. Stainless steel sink, 10 bucks, 5 bucks, 5 bucks, 5 bucks, 5 bucks, 5 bucks, 5 bucks. With a total of, let me get this turned here. Oh, come on, focus. Hope it was not focused the other way. $211.68. And we'll show you again, just those prices are insane. Well, while I was getting to the bottom of all the things and getting a hold of people to help me with the stinking problems in the paperwork and the paying taxes before the end of the month, Rich has got a couple of these things ready. In fact, the Wyatt burner just looks amazing. This thing here is big money. It's stinking grand, 1,200 bucks. It'll be stinking 3 times what I paid for the whole lot off just this probably. And it's in great shape. Rich has got the rubber mount and he's redoing the face on the Toastmaster. Is it a Toastmaster? Toast Quick. Big difference. One of them's a master and one of them's quick, right? Have you gave any thought about how we're gonna? Yeah, the Toastmasters Club. Have you gave any thought about how we're gonna store all this shit?
I had to come up with a solution.
Well, there's all kinds of stuff here. And Rich went as far as to take the base plates off of this microwave.
Well, just everything underneath was visible, you know.
So it's all looking good. The stuff he's greasy. The stuff he's got ready for pictures. Look at this, man. You could go and back up, but it looks entirely different. Entirely. And he fixed the drawer on this. Just the way it should be now. So, star heat tray. Cool thing, man. Okay, well, I'm going to take some pictures of this stuff. Got the sink. The sink is super cool. Need a couple faucets. Look at this. It's a crown. Crown Metal Corp. Okay, well, get the Toastmaster and everything. I might just throw one of them up on a table here and do it to it. We shall see. We shall see. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Could be a really different video. I'm sure you've already seen it in the thumbnail. But Katrina and Lily don't know what's going on, so I'm gonna hope I can have enough non-windage to make this work. And of course, it had to be the windiest part of the night. When? What? Is that cool?